Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter DX11 feature level 10.0 required to run the engine, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is to install the latest patch for the games. For example, you're running a game like Fortnite or GTA and you get this error message. You need to install the latest patch for the game. The patches are normally released on the game's website. So if you're looking for the Fortnite patch, go to the Fortnite website and download the patch and install it. Same for GT or any other game for that matter. The second thing this error can pop up is because of the outdated graphics card drivers. So how do we download the latest graphics card drivers is we'll go to, I'm using AMD Radeon graphics card. So I will install this driver. How do I know which driver I am using is we'll go to device manager and we'll look for display adapter. So here you see I'm using AMD Radeon. So I will go to the website and then I will click on download Windows drivers. And once that is downloaded, I will open the folder here, right click on it and click on run as administrator. And we will then proceed with the steps. And then we just have to run Windows Update, right click on the start button, go to settings. Then we need to go to Windows Update, click on check for updates and then install any updates here and also go to advanced options, optional updates, and you see I have a driver update here. So I will download and install. There you go. I got this driver here. So I will download and install. Alright, and once it is installed, I will run one more command, and for that I need to press the Windows and the R key together and I will enter the line DXDIAG, that is the DX diagnostic, and it will scan the system and it will show you whether the latest version of DirectX has been installed or not. You can see here DirectX version is DirectX 12, so which is more than DirectX 10. So I will just restart the computer after all of these steps. Click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart, and you should be able to run your game without this error message popping up. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.